Oh, I'm accidentally zooming. I suck at vlogging. Well, since this is our first vlog,
yeah,
we can talk about,
the weather.
you know how it's like a joke because you know how nobody wants to talk about the weather?
yeah.
But our weather is actually insane right now.
I just found out from my mom there's actually a tornado warning south of us.
Really?
And there's hail a little bit north of us, and then it's obviously raining here and winding.
It's winding here.
Windy. It sounds like it's going to blow the house down, and
Dear
then
Lord, batten down the hatches. It's winding.
And now we're in a blizzard warning. So
Yeah, tornado warning, blizzard warning. Our weather is interesting. Pull your pants up.
Yeah, edit
We
that.
can never vlog.
We can vlog. We
this is why we can't have nice things.
We can vlog. We just have to like do it in a
Time when you're showered and not looking like Shane Dawson.
Yeah, when this is my Shane Dawson day. Sundays are my Shane Dawson day. Or Garrett.
Too late. You already said Shane. We know where your loyalty lies.
I wonder what Garrett Watts is doing right now.
Not you. Oh, that was good. That's staying
That was
in.
freaking weird.
Alright,
Alright, I think it's my turn.
no,
with the camera.
no, I don't have any makeup on. That's like illegal.
Alright, that's a little too close to comfort.
There's the handsome boy again. Is it gonna snow? Are you gonna have a snow day? Daddy has more childish clothes than you do.
They're warm.
Oh, those are your underwear. Oops.
Yeah. I have more superhero underwear than River does.
River doesn't have underwear.
Exactly. I want Taco Bell.
You never want Taco Bell.
Actually, that sounds really
Oh my
good.
gosh. You know when we were in St. Louis and we were at the hospital, or when we were leaving the hospital, and I was trying to say something really important, so I just ignored you. All I hear is, oh, there's Chipotle.
Yeah.
I didn't even notice the Chipotle. I was like, it doesn't really...
Yeah, there was Chipotle. We've been watching, like, Shane Dawson.
Ah! God,
Oh my
River!
goodness.
My
Wait,
nails look bad, too. Oh, no, they don't. It's kale polish, if anybody wants to know. Sorry, go ahead.
This is why we don't vlog.
this is why I don't vlog with you.
Why? Because you're talking about your nails when I'm trying to talk about something important.
Like Chipotle that
like-
we've never even tried in our lives. How
like-
do you even know it's important? We've never had Chipotle before.
we've
And it's
been-
a dumb name, Chipotle. Like, we live in Missouri.
All right, let's talk about some makeup. You're boring.
That's weird.
Okay, now we can look at all my beautiful makeup that River loves so
River,
much.
help.
Help with makeup? River loves to help with makeup.
I'm just staring at my beautiful makeup and my person.
You need a shower.
I do.
Actually, I don't know how to turn this off without a remote.
You hit the button.
Oh, do you need my help?
No, I never need your help. I'm independent. I even taught myself how to edit, finally.
How are those burgers tonight?
What burgers?
The burgers I cooked.
Oh, that burnt stuff? Oh, that wasn't very good at all.
You ate all of it. That's weird.
No, I didn't. I pretended to, and I threw the rest of it away.
I fed it to the dog.
We don't have a dog.
That you know of.
Okay, I'm turning this off now. It must be this giant. It says it's busy. What does that mean?
The camera is telling us we've gone too long.
Okay, so it just says busy, and then there's a big...
Even the camera is going, this shit is taking a long
Bye.
time.